Números cardinales en inglés para peso, composición, cantidades, precios, números de teléfono o de tarjeta.
Use cardinal numbers for quantity. For example, 5 apples or 12 sodas. It is that simple. Let's practice our numbers. 13,
13,
30,
30,
17, 70,
19, 90,
78, 29,
29,
1330,
1330,
225, 50, 209, 90.
Difference between 30 and dirty.
Difference between 30 and dirty.
Say 3, not dirty.
330, not dirty.
Yes, that's perfect. That bottle of oil is dirty. This bottle of oil is 330.
This bottle of oil is $3.30.
Fantastic job, everyone. $50.
$15,
$22.
$22.
$780.10. $725.
Hi, is that all for today?
Yes, I'll pay with credit card.
No problem. Your total is $42.50. Receipt in the bag?
Yes, thank you. Have a good
You
one.
too.
$15.49.
$15.49.
Excellent. Now try this one. $21.50.
The total is $225.
The total is $225.
Change back is $750.
Change back is $7.50. Pay for 1 bottle of ketchup and you get 2. 2 for the price of 1.
Pay for 1 can of soup and you get 2. 2 for the price of 1.
Pay for 1 can of soup and you get 2. 2 for the price of 1.
Excellent.
Usamos números de orden, ordinal numbers para la fecha y organización, como el primer cliente, el segundo, el tercero.
Use ordinal numbers for order. For example, the first aisle or the second floor. Say first, second, third. Let's practice dates.
October 1st?
Good. Now, 4th. Today we practice dates. 10, 10th.
10.
10th.
Great job. Let's practice the number 15th.
At what time is the supermarket open on the 15th of August?
It's a bank holiday on the 15th of August, so it's open only. Number 1 is the first. Other workers, say it with me. First.
First.
Then second and third. These are very common when ordering food.
A veces, cuando hay cola, o se hace fila, no usamos números y preguntamos, ¿quién es el siguiente? Who is next?
Who is next in line?
I believe I am.